Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mwangura, and I am the founder and CEO of Building Big Business Center. I want to talk to you about the journey of creating wealth and how you can begin to position yourself with tools that will assist you on this journey. See, wealth is a state of mind. And through this mindset, you get the opportunity to develop certain behaviors that help you create disciplines that contribute to the increase of money in your bank account. One of these behaviors that you require is the practice of acquiring assets. The practice of acquiring assets is governed by a law, a universal law called seed time and harvest. Now you see, this law, just like any other law, for example, the law of gravity, does not discriminate according to skin color, according to tribe, creed, or race. This is a law that applies to each and every one of us. If it is used well, it will bring good into your life. On the other hand, if this law is misused or abused, it will bring a lot of disaster in your life. I developed a tool. I call it the investment pyramid. This is a tool that I developed that will help you structure your affairs so that you can take advantage of this universal law of seed time and harvest. The investment pyramid, as I developed it, is meant to provide clarity as you embark and walk through the murky waters of risk and return. Use it as a guide. Now let's look at what the investment pyramid has. When you look at this investment pyramid, you would see it has 3 layers. At the bottom of the pyramid, you have the foundation, and then you have the middle of the pyramid, and then the apex of the pyramid. At the very bottom, the foundation of your pyramid, you have what I call low risk securities. The purpose of accumulating low risk securities is so that you can build yourself a firm foundation upon which all other investments that you will acquire can stand on. The stronger your foundation, the stronger and stable your investment portfolio will be. I start with the fixed income category. These are investments in real estate. These are investments in fixed deposits, in treasury bills, treasury bonds, or what I call money market unit trusts. Your principal in these investment securities is secure. You don't get to lose your principal. However, the rate of return is very low. The second category I have is land. This land acts as collateral. In your very, very worst case scenario, you are able to liquidate this land and turn it into cash. The third category of assets in your foundation is knowledge, the acquiring of knowledge. Knowledge acquisition must be an ongoing process. And once you turn knowledge into action, it becomes wisdom. Wisdom means making good choices that benefit your life. The other category is property, and this is income generating real estate assets. Lastly is savings and insurance. Insurance could be a life policy, one that has death and disability, especially if you are a critical income factor in your family. This foundation category are assets that need to be acquired at the very beginning of your journey. If you are in your first job, or if, for example, you are beginning to acquire assets, the best place to start is acquiring assets that are in the foundation category. Once you have acquired this foundation and it is firm to your level of satisfaction, then you move to more riskier securities. This could include an investment in business or growth and expansion in an existing business, or investing and participating in social activities. Now, as you see, the higher you go on the pyramid, the more risk you're able to take, but the higher the return you're also able to enjoy. At the apex of the investment, you have a lot more riskier securities with higher rates of return. So, for example, investment in stock, or you could decide to expand your businesses beyond your current geographical area. The returns here are extremely high, but the risk is equally high. If anything happens to your investments, either at the apex or at the middle section, if you get into a situation where you lose all your money, then you have a firm foundation to rely upon. What you don't want to do is, at the beginning of your wealth creation journey, start with putting your money on investments that are on the middle section or at the apex section, because if by bad luck you lose your investments, then you have nothing to stand on at the foundation level. So this investment pyramid should be used as a guide. It's not cast on stone, but it should be used as a guide that provides clarity to you as you embark on your own journey of wealth creation. Thank you.